Today we talk about how can you get premium on your Amino app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on membership here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on try it for free. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here can you select if you want to select 3 months here or a year here or 6 months. Then you click here on start your 7-day free trial. Then it's going to, so just click on it when you choose here month. So then it's going to show for you here a list to add your card credit to add video on your Animo. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.